Yeah, I believe the mic is working. In today's trending news, oh, you really think that you can just leave us, right? You think you could just go in and make a great escape, so to speak, right? So what I'm seeing here says four states could secede from US and join Canada to avoid Trump. You guys really think you slick. Now, this right here is a very interesting story, not only because it's something that you possibly never expected, but we all probably laughed and joked about it, or some people may have laughed and joked about it before the election, saying what they were going to do given a Donald Trump win. Now, a Donald Trump win is a reality. So there's a lot of people who are looking to kind of fulfill their promises. But in this story here, it'll be interesting to hear that these four states that are mentioned feel as though they would fit in really nicely with Canada due to having similar values and things like that. It makes me think about also the latest controversy with Canada's favorite superstar, which is Drake. Maybe he's their favorite superstar still, but it makes me think of what Kendrick said. Not like us. That's a little contradictory, New York. I don't know if Canada is too much like New York or the other three states that was mentioned here. So it says from this specific source that this person said here, even though I hadn't gotten an agreement from other states yet, that I thought New York, Connecticut, Massachusetts, Vermont would combine to be a great new province as the southeast province of Canada. Very interesting. But even more so interesting, I always have to ask this question. If you guys leave and you go to Canada, right, or become part of Canada, where's my money? That's the only thing I'm really concerned with. Now, on that note, I believe I found where your money is. I believe it's in this document that I created for you. It gives you guys the 10 steps to running and operating a successful affiliate marketing business. The 10 steps that every affiliate marketer needs to go through in order to become successful, right? But there's also a specific section in here where I've created a chart, a comparative chart. And it's going to provide you with the 10 factors that you have to be aware of when it comes to choosing a profitable niche. Most people just go out there and they just make wild statements saying that they want to do this, that, and the third, right? But they never really sit back and think about what it is that they're saying. Kind of like in that story. Now, the possibility of these four states leaving and becoming part of Canada, and I keep saying leaving because they're not going to be able to pick up pieces of land and move it over to Canada. It would essentially be a division or a newly made border to go around these states, I believe, if that was ever to be a possibility. But we know that that's not going to happen anytime in the future, anytime possibly ever. But just like people make statements like that, of what they wish or what they would like to see happen given a situation, you have to think to yourself, if you're looking to earn money online in affiliate marketing, digital marketing, first and foremost, you need to have the right skills and you need to have a roadmap. You need to know exactly what it is that you need to be doing on a daily basis in order to reach your level of success. Now, with this simple guide, I want to give it to you absolutely free so that you can learn and see for yourself what it actually takes to be a full-time affiliate marketer. It's not for everybody. So I wouldn't suggest that you jump fully head first into an opportunity that requires you to invest any large sums of money. Start out slow. Now, if this free guide sounds like it's something that you're interested in grabbing a hold of so that you can learn and get an idea of what it takes to be in this industry, I want you to comment ready and I'll send you access to this specific guide that's going to give you all the details necessary. Now, for the right person, it'll help you. And for the wrong person, it's going to help you also. It's going to help you make better decisions. Maybe making money online isn't for you, and maybe you need to stick to your day job. And on that note, I hope to see you guys in the next trending story. In New York, that's my home state. I don't want to hear you guys talking and saying nothing crazy like that again. New York, Connecticut, Massachusetts, Vermont, y'all ain't going nowhere. See you guys in the next video.
Yeah. Okay, son. So I see you over there laughing and shit and everything, right? But that shit right there don't mean nothing. All the muscles and shit and armor and everything. I don't need none of those muscles. I don't need no armor. I don't need no sword and nothing like that. I'm just gonna come over there and I'm gonna just whoop your ass, okay?